So, if you're having problems with your page on Facebook and it's suddenly suspended, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. So, first, why do Facebook suspend some of the pages online? Well, the thing with pages is sometimes they can be harmful to the community, and in some cases, you may or some people would actually go against or would violate the community guidelines, like posting something that you shouldn't be posting on Facebook. Now, if that happens, typically your account or your Facebook account or your Facebook page would actually get suspended. So, how do you fix this problem? Now, typically, when you first open up or when you first access your Facebook account or your Facebook page here, it would give you the option to appeal. Now, it will give you that pop up here, and sometimes it would give you the pop up at the very top here on your homepage. But just in case if you don't see that, you can go and click on your profile at the top right here. Click on your profile icon again, and typically in your page here or in your actual page, you should be able to see that same pop up, which should allow you to appeal for your page. Now, typically, you go and click on see more or see more details in here, and it would give you the option to appeal. But just in case if you don't have that option, well, there is one way for you to still appeal or request a review for your suspension. So to do that, you want to first go ahead and just click on the three bar icon at the top right of the screen, and you want to go and click on the settings icon that you see at the top right here again. Go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for a very specific section. Now, you want to look for the option or settings there that says page details. And under page details, go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to take note of your page ID. So you can go and just take a screenshot for this one, or you can go and write it down. So once you do have a screenshot of it, you can go and just go back. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go and just go to the very bottom section here, and you want to look for the option that says report a problem or report an issue. But if you don't see that, you can go and just go back, scroll down a bit here, look for report a problem. So if you don't see that, go and click on or expand help and support. Click on report a problem. It's going to give you the option to shake your phone if you want to report a problem. So for now, let's go and click on OK. And you can go and just basically start shaking your phone. And once you've shaken your phone here, so let's just try our connection. And here, it should give you the option that says report a problem. Go ahead and click on report a problem. It's going to start creating your report. Click on include. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and attach the photo that you took a screenshot of. Click on upload from phone. And from here, describe your issue. Now, in here, you want to go and just specify that you need assistance on fixing your problem on your account being suspended. Provide your reasons why this is wrong. Like, for example, you didn't violate anything and this is a mistake. Go and explain your current situation and maybe like discuss a few things just in case like you have some suspicion why you got suspended. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.